I'm looking for it. Come over here. Now, we spread it out so that we don't have more than like a half a bucket in each one. About there. A little over half, maybe, yeah. Got this one over here. Right. You're probably not going to be able to find another drill like this one. This is probably from the 50s. It's actually really strong. And it kind of represents itself with the name Thor. But it doesn't spin as fast as some, which is good because otherwise it might throw you around.
Or you can do like that, stick in box and third up a little bit. Or you can break your arm, you can turn the drill on and it breaks his arm, and you understand this. That's funny, I had to laugh at him. You listen and you have to learn the hard way. That's what happened.
Now, you notice how much water he put in. Quite a bit. It's about a pan of water. I'm looking for it. Come over here. Look at the eye of the storm. Only about that big.
Well, like that.
Soupy.
Well, look like the guy that I just talked about.
Right on camera, too.
I'm going to stir that up a little bit just so it don't break my arm.
So I could use a little bit more water.
No. Whoops. No, that's good.
I always look at how much it falls off of the paddle.
Super than the last one. Gotta let it work up to being textured, because if you try to pull it to the top too quick, it's gonna sling it all over your face.
I'm sure you've seen that.
I've had it on me.
You know what's gonna happen, don't you? I'll keep it down in there for a while.
You want to get it all mixed up.
There ain't no truck floating around here.
If you're looking around here, that stuff here gets totally smooth. Now, you might say, wait a minute, there's different thicknesses whenever I looked at it. And there is, from one bucket to the other. But when we start using it, we'll be pouring one to the other, back and forth.
And the difference is not much.
But you would tell it when you spray. You'd have to be
Three of
creative.
the buckets are pretty close to one, and is a little bit
Stiff.
thicker. You won't notice it in the spray.
You have to work at it a little bit. But you won't be able to notice it with him doing it.